Hey, it's Tim Ingle here. I am with Bree.
Hi.
Instagram, tell me what's your Instagram?
Bree.cookie.
Bree.cookie, and I'll put a link in there. So today the challenge is I'm gonna use a mirror, and this mirror is not any ordinary mirror, it's an extremely cheap mirror. This mirror can be had for, let's just say, under $8 at any of your home supply, kind of do-it-yourself stores. A few notes about this. Number one is talk to your model about what you're doing with the mirror, because it's obviously bright sun, and so I don't want her looking straight into it. I don't want to blind her. The other thing too is that it is glass, so be very aware that you don't break it and cause issues, so be safe always. So today I'm going to use my Nikon. I'm going to stay with my 35mm lens, and let's see how that goes. All right, we're done. That was it. We are at 40 minutes and 400 pictures. So we got some stuff to choose from. I ran the gamut from like f4 to finally at 1.4 at the end. I have to manually expose. So what I ended up doing is I had him put the light on. I checked my exposure because it's obviously bright, and I had a dark area around it. So the one thing you have to watch out for is that if you go TTL or let the camera decide, it may look at that black and overexpose the bright part. So I went manual, which ended up being, in the end, ISO 80, f1.4 at 8,000ths of a second. So I was up there on shutter speed. But I'm really happy with the results. An under $8 mirror, and we got all that done. So try it out, see what you think, let me know. Thanks. Thanks, Bree.
Bye. Thank you.